scan verification shows this area does match the wind blip.
And reinforce the high lift device mounting points here.
We'll use process A for reinforcement here. The main concern is the sustained load from the slats.
Can the fuselage handle it?
Cross-referencing complete. The blueprints match the fuselage state.
Agreed. All technical requirements are met. Green light for material preparation.
This specialized solvent application, known as Process A, prepares the alloy surface for the new double delta wing connection. These double delta wing ribs undergo thermal cycling in the stabilization oven, a crucial step for stress relief before final assembly.
This laser tracking ensures our jigs meet the exact specifications for the J-7E modification. The tolerances here are incredibly tight.
Sensitive angle of attack sensors and pressure transducers, which provide crucial flight data, are secured within a vacuum.
In Process A, the double delta wing modification begins as the robotic arm transfers the massive inner wing rib to the washing station.
Alignment check complete on spar 3.
Roger that. Securing the final fastener now.
Okay, bring it down 5 centimeters. Watch the starboard alignment. Copy that, 5 centimeters and holding.
The inner titanium wing structure and the outer composite aluminum delta section are mated. Specialized robotic...
Set it down gently, watch the edges.
Hand me the vacuum tool. I'll start the extraction process now.
The double delta wing, a hallmark of the J-7E modification, begins its crucial descent. Precision is paramount at this stage.
Hold the position, lower by 2 millimeters slowly, adjust left by 1, and perfect. Secure the clamps.
The integration of the flight control computer requires absolute precision, ensuring every connection is secure. Secure the temporary clamps along the leading edge.
Make sure it's perfectly flush before the test sequence.
Slat deployment successful. We have 5.2 degrees and 150 millimeters extension.
Fine-tuning the alignment of the trailing flat gravity tracks, ensuring they are parallel to the new...
High-lift devices are fully deployed and secured.
Surface integrity check complete. No defects found.
The final deployment cycle confirms rapid and reliable operation. Product B is cleared for delivery.
The rollout of Product B symbolizes the completion of the production pipeline, transitioning the J-7E to its operational phase.
Flight test successful. The new systems are fully validated.
The J-7E, designated Product B, arrives at its final destination, marking the